Okay, this video is to show you how to actually read these drawings in this document. So I've opened it up so we can zoom in a little bit better. So just looking at a couple of these. So number one, okay, and they all start out the same way. You can see the outermost dimensions, right? They go out to the outside, okay? It's a 3 by 5, and it goes up 2, okay? That's how all 20 of these are going to start. Then in each one there's going to be different dimensions. Okay, so for like number 1, this corner to that corner is 2 inches. So out of 3, 2's left, so we know that this line is 1 inch. Out of 2 inches, 1's left, we know this is 1 inch. Okay, and then this whole thing is taken away, so we know that is 5 inches. Okay, so if we look at some other ones, let's look at number 7. Starts out the same way, 5 by 3 by 2, but then it only has one more dimension. So if we think about this, out of 5, 3 is unchanged. So this corner to the corner that is no longer there should be 2 inches. Okay, looking at something like this. Okay, same thing, starts out at 3 by 5 up 2. Okay, then a bunch of these different little dimensions. Okay, so from here to here is 1 inch. All right, from this to the top is 1 inch. Okay, so we know that this line has to be 1 inch as well. This thickness is 1, this distance is 1, and this thickness is 1. Okay, there's a couple different ways you could do that one, but basically you'd want to cut out the big part and then make this little wedge there. Okay. Things like number 12, same thing. From here to here is 1 inch. From here to here is a straight 1 inch line. Okay, and then over here is the same dimensions. Okay, so you can kind of go through and see they're all all similar in certain ways. They all start out the same way. Okay, so let's do number 7 then. Okay, so we know 5 by 3 up 2, and then we need to make sure this part is 3 inches. Okay, so coming back to Onshape, you click Create, Document. We'll just title it number 7. Okay, remember I like to just hide the 2 planes I don't like. So I have this one. So I hit Sketch, click the top plane, get my rectangle tool. Okay, I go from the middle, and I know I need a 3 by 5. Okay, so I can click, change this to 3, enter, 5, enter. Okay, notice it kind of goes a weird way. All right, so let's try to do this. Click Dimension, double click, change that to 5, change that to 3, and then it goes this way. Okay, because then if I go to my isometric view, it's pointing the same way as these drawings are. Okay, so we'll finish the sketch, extrude it, click the sketch. Oops. There we go. And then we know it goes up 2 inches. So 2, enter. Okay. Now we have a 5 by 3 up 2 inch block to start out with. Okay, so for number 7, remember we had from here 3 inches in is unchanged, then it slants. Okay, so the only way to do this one is to draw on this side. So sketch this side. Now, a couple different ways. You could take a line and draw a straight 3 inch line and then go down and up, or you could take a point and dimension it from there to there 3 inches. Okay, so let's just work smarter. Line, change it to 3, enter. Now it's still connected. I can go down to the corner, up to the other corner, and then connect it so it's a whole triangle. Hit OK. Hit extrude, select what I want to take away, and then I can go remove through all. And that is number 7. Okay. That's really about the only other way. You could try to use the chamfer or the draft, but that's probably going to be the easiest way to do number 7.